the old man time and again feels sorry for the fish and he thinks कि fish ने कुछ नहीं खाया है. The hook is in its mouth, but his sorrow for the fish did not stop his determination to kill the fish. And then he's saying कि ये जितनी noble है और dignity है इस fish के behavior में, nobody is worthy to eat this fish. And then he is saying कि it's good we don't have to kill the stars or the sun, and it is enough to live on sea and kill our true brothers. And then he's thinking कि I should row the boat in the opposite direction of the fish. के ये भी करके देख सकता है कि oars को fish की opposite direction में चला के देखे, but that will require a lot of effort and he needs some rest. And then he's thinking that I should rest for for an hour, and then in the meantime I can see how the fish is acting, and maybe it gets tired, and now he said okay, you should rest now, let him work until your next duty comes. Or he rested for 2 hours, and then he has no right now he cannot judge what time it is, but it is night time already. And then he is talking to himself that you have not slept, old man, and this is it has been a half day and a half night and a night, and now another day, and you have not slept. It is a half a day and a night, and now another day, and you have not slept. So you must devise a way to sleep. He is talking to himself कि बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोएगा तो भी उसका mind बिल्कुल unclear हो जाएगा, and that can be dangerous too. He realizes the danger of not sleeping, and then he is so saying to himself, remember to sleep, he thought. Make yourself do it and devise some simple sure way about the lines. He is advising himself. And it is too dangerous to rig the oars as a drag if you must sleep. So I could go without sleeping, he's saying, but it would be too dangerous. Now he's thinking that he should go to sleep now. It has been a lot of time that he has not slept. He started to work his way back to the stern on his hands and knees. अब वो मूव करके एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करने की कोशिश कर रहा है बोट पे, और ही इज़ केयरफुल नॉट टू जर्क द फिश. एंड देन ही इज़ थिंकिंग कि फ़िश भी हो सकता है आधी सो रही हो. सो आई डू नॉट वांट द फिश टू रेस्ट. द फिश शुड पुल until he dies. So and then he turned to his left hand, strained across his shoulders with his knife, and the stars are bright, and he saw the dolphin, and he's cutting the dolphin, and he is now gutting the dolphin, and it's slippery. सारा इसमें वो dolphin को clean कर रहा है ताकि he can eat the dolphin. And then he slid the carcass overboard to see if there were any swirls in the water. And then he turned then and placed the flying fish inside to fill it out. डॉल्फिन के अंदर से ही उसको 2 फ्लाइंग फ़िश मिली हैं, एंड नाउ ये सारे प्रोसेस में वो क्लीन कर रहा है, अपने खाने का बंदोबस्त यानी कर रहा है. ही हैज़ गॉट 2 flying fish and a dolphin. And then he is thinking about the fish. He is tiring, or is he resting, the old man said. Now let me get through the eating of the dolphin, thinking कि वो थक गई है या रेस्ट कर रही है फ़िश, क्योंकि स्पीड थोड़ी फ़िश की जो है वो स्लो हुई है. And under the stars in the night grew colder, and what an excellent fish dolphin is to eat cooked, and what a miserable fish raw. So he's missing some things. So he has no salt, he has no lime, and he is eating a raw dolphin. And if I had brains I would have splashed water on the bow all day. And then he's thinking कि मुझे थोड़ी सेंस होती तो मैं पानी, समंदर के पानी को ही थोड़ा सा ड्राई करके उससे नमक प्रिपेयर कर लेता और उसी को ही यूज़ कर लेता. सो एज सॉल्ट, समंदर के पानी में ही बहुत नमक होता है. एंड now it was moving towards the wind had dropped, weather changes. There will be bad weather in 3 or 4 days. अब जो वो वेदर चेंज को थोड़ा सा नोटिस कर रहा है, विंड जो है वो ड्रॉप हो गई है. हैज़ नोटिस्ड कि 3-4 दिन के बाद मौसम ख़राब होगा. And then he's remembering that he should sleep while the fish is calm and steady, and he's holding the hand in his right hand, and then changing some position of the cord. My right hand can hold it as long as it is raised, he thought. If it relaxes in sleep, my left hand will wake me, as the line goes. So even if I sleep 20 minutes or half an hour, it is good. So he's saying कि थोड़ी देर के लिए भी सो जाऊँ तो it will be good for him. And then soon the old man is asleep. He did not dream of the lions, but instead of a vast pool of porpoise that stretched, ख्वाब में जो देख रहा है, एंड देन ख्वाब में भी अपनी उसको स्ट्रगल ही नज़र आ रही है. उसको porpoise नज़र आ रहे हैं, फिश नज़र आ रहे हैं. दे आर लीपिंग इन टू द एयर and then again in the water. He dreamed that he was in a village on his bed, and there was a norther, and he was very cold, and his right arm was asleep because his head had rested on the After he had begun to dream of a yellow beach, and he saw the first of the lions came down into it. Lions वो उसको ख्वाब में ज़रूर नज़र आते हैं because they symbolize his yearning for physical strength, physical vigor. अब दोबारा से उसने शुरू के dreams unnecessary थे, ये ज़्यादा important है. Lions because it is symbolic. अक्सर आ जाता है what is the significance of the old man's dreams. So in his dreams also he yearns for physical strength. He has a longing to gain physical vigor, strength, which he has got no more. As a young man he was quite strong, but now as he is an old man he has lost much of his physical strength, but he still has got determination and resolution.